Hello, Chef here. So I'm about to share with you the only protein smoothie that can help improve your vision. So to improve your vision, you need to get the very finest Spanish saffron right there, okay? You can get it right there, chefdepot.com, the sponsor. Just check out their saffron. It's really, really good. What do I mean by really, really good? Well, there you go. It's perfect, bright red threads, 100% stigma of the saffron flower. This is the real deal. So to use this, ideally, we're going to put a little bit of cold water into this cup right here, maybe 2 tablespoons or so. And now we take just a pinch of saffron. This is all you need right here. This 1 ounce container should last you for about a year. That's a pinch right there, and that will improve your vision. That's it. Once you put it in the water, you need to wait a few seconds or minutes and let the color start to release. You can see that. I'm going to just zoom in and stir it here, show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, just like that. Alright, I'm just going to give it a little stir with this spoon. You can see all that natural color coming out of there. That's what you're looking for. That's the good stuff. That will improve your vision. Oh yeah. Now, I'm making a protein shake with this. Starting with a stainless steel vessel. And I'm going to be peeling a banana. Whatever you got, strawberries, bananas, you name it, it's all good. The banana wasn't very big. I'm peeling another banana, a little riper too. Alright, so I got my 2 small bananas now in the vessel, and I'm gonna put some water in there. Let's see. Alright, I got the bananas in the vessel. I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of water in there. Enough to puree these bananas. And I do like the full flavor. So I'm also big on vanilla. So we'll put a little splash of vanilla in there as well. The real deal, maybe a teaspoon. Alright, I don't need any sugar because the protein powder I'm using, I'm going to have 50 grams of isolated whey protein. It's a blend. It's really, really good. Anyway, here we go with the banana. Smooth. At this point, I'm adding my protein powder. Here we go. 50 grams of protein powder. And I'm trying to get this in the camera, but at the same time I want to let you continue to see the color evolving out of this saffron. So the protein powder goes in all at once. I got 50 grams. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. I'm gonna blend it up. Yeah, just like that. It's good. It's good to go. Okay, I'm gonna move this saffron out of the way. And be very careful with this. I store it in a sealed container. Storing it in the tin is good idea too. This is the real deal, the good stuff here. I really, really like it. That's why I'm doing this video for the sponsor. So now that I've got my banana protein smoothie, all of this awesome saffron goes right in all at once. Okay. It's in there. It's looking good. You can see a few threads here and there, and mostly it's disappeared. This is the only protein shake that's going to improve your vision. Oh yeah. Now, I get myself a glass. I'm going to pour some in, show you what I got going on here. Oh yeah. Banana vanilla saffron smoothie. Oh, you can always garnish with a few extra threads of saffron right on top. Looks really nice, especially if you're going to share this with somebody. They're going to go, wow, I've never seen any saffron like that before. It's gonna be good. Yeah, look at that. Awesome color. Once again, cheers to your health. Wow, that's really, really good. Don't forget, visit the sponsor. Score the best saffron you can. Right there. It's about the best saffron on earth that I've found right there. It's gonna be good. Get cooking and have a great day. You gotta try this, and I want your eyes to be as healthy as possible. Mine have gotten better just in a few months. Oh yeah, I like it. Little bit more right there. Nice, nice, nice. That bright, bright yellow color is what we're looking for. Wow. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. video, I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next. Maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. Here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, You have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks, yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good.